आज मेरे पास में एक लेडी एक बच्चे को लेकर आई और बच्चा जो है वो बहुत इंट्रोवर्टेड था और पढ़ नहीं पा रहा था। तो उनको क्या प्रॉब्लम थी मेन बच्चे को, स्कूल वालों ने उसको लेबल कर दिया कि आपका बच्चा मेंटली फिट नहीं है। और क्योंकि स्कूल वालों ने उसको लेबल कर दिया, जबकि ऐसी बात नहीं थी। बच्चा बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट है और मेंटली अनस्टेबल नहीं है। तो ये नुकसान है द टीचर्स, द टीचिंग फैकल्टी who do not understand the finer nuances of the child's mind, how vulnerable and delicate the child is. When you give him an identity, he takes that identity. If you start calling the child is mentally unstable, the school, the teachers, the friends, and even the parents start believing it. The child takes on that identity and starts behaving like that. Please be very careful that don't label your child good, bad, naughty, mentally unstable, stupid, foolish. These are the words I often hear parents calling their children. And those children, in turn, their mind takes these commands. It is such a sad thing that once a patient came to me who was suffering from stammering, and she was a psychologist herself. And when I took her deep into the subconscious mind during my regression sessions, I realized that sometime her parent and other times the teachers had asked her to shut up. So the subconscious mind has taken the command, shut up. So now this child is finding it difficult to communicate, express, and to the extent the command went deeply that this child also started stammering. So parents and teachers, please do one thing. Be very, very mindful of your words, of how you label the children, how you refer them, how you talk about them. And if there is any such thing that you want to talk to the parents, please convey it in the absence of the child. You may be wrong in the judgment, you may be wrong in your judgment, but the child's mind within hearing distance, or if it is spoken in front of the child, is just going directly into the subconscious mind. And most of you are not subconscious mind experts. You cannot, now having once created the problem, given a negative command, you cannot by all your efforts, and even by the parents with all their efforts, and even a psychologist or even a psychiatrist with all their efforts, they cannot take it out of the child's mind. And the damage may show immediately or maybe years later. This also I have seen during my long practice of therapy. Sometimes these wrong commands, negative commands, are internalized so much by the child that they show up as a physical disease 30, 40, 50 years hence. Imagine the damage you have done. And after listening to this video, kindly please become very, very mindful. The damage may have already been done, but at least don't continue to perpetrate it. Don't continue to do it. Thank you very much.